Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte gave a media conference and announced this drastic and dramatic measure. But essentially, what we're seeing, he said, is no longer a red zone in that sector in the north of Italy, but an entire protected zone throughout Italy. And he said the key words that he wants to extend the message of is this hashtag that's also been trending in Italy since those measures were put in place over the weekend. I stay at home. And he said, really, this is necessary. No one can move throughout the country or travel unless they have a specific reason, whether it's for work, whether it's absolutely necessary for serious reasons, or whether for health reasons. And he says this drastic measure, these measures have been put in place. It's necessary because they have to stop the virus. And he says there's simply no more time to wait. He said habits among Italians have to change now. There's no time to adapt because they need to do this sacrifice for the benefit of all, for the fragile members of society. And as you mentioned, it will go into effect on Tuesday. And that also means no gatherings allowed. That means, as he put it, groups of young people can't gather outside bars or just gather to meet. That's not going to be allowed at all. And he said the seriousness of this has to be stressed because it's necessary to protect the nation and protect and limit the spread of the COVID-19 virus. What this also means, he says, is that schools will remain closed all the way to the 3rd of April, and all sporting events, that means even the football that a lot of Italians watch, that also has to come to an end because everyone needs to play their part in order to control the spread of the virus.